Hello students. Our vocabulary words for this week, as we move on to a different system, is we're taking some time to make sure we understand the difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. A is a prefix that means not. So it's the opposite of sexual reproduction is asexual reproduction. And the main reason you know the difference in the two is how many organisms are involved. First word for this week is asexual reproduction. That is reproduction in which the offspring are produced by a single parent. And that process could either be budding, splitting, or called mitosis. Okay. So then sexual reproduction is the reproduction of organisms by the union of male and female reproductive cells. So asexual, one organism, sexual, male and female sex cells. Okay. Next word is budding. Budding is a form of asexual reproduction. It's a type when a new organism develops from an outgrowth or a bud on the original organism. Next word is mitosis. Mitosis is a process to divide a cell into two identical cells, used to grow, repair, or replace cells in plants and animals. Meiosis, without a T, M-E-I-O-S-I-S, is the process to divide a cell into 4 sex cells, each with half the chromosomes of a regular cell. So different. You know the difference between mitosis and meiosis. Okay. Next word is gametes. Gametes is just a fancy word. It's cell formed during meiosis that contains half the usual chromosomes. That's what a gamete is. Fertilization. Fertilization is the joining of a sperm and an egg. Next word we have is chromosome. A chromosome carries the information that controls inherited characteristics, such as eye color, height, different things like that. Parent cell. Parent cell is a cell that is the source for other cells. That's the parent cell. Not specifically male or female, they just call it the parent. Usually related to asexual reproduction in this case. The daughter cell is either of two cells formed when a cell divides. So you have one cell in asexual reproduction, the cell divides some way, and then you have two. So the one before it divides is called a parent cell. When they divide, both of them are called daughter cells. We don't know why. Countries are called she's, boats are called she's. Cells that are formed from a parent cell are called daughter cells. Just deal with it. It's okay. Next word sounds like science fiction, but it's just not, nor is it magic. It's science. Mutation. Mutation occurs when a DNA gene is damaged or changed in such a way to alter the genetic message carried by that gene. So some way altered. Okay. And next word we have is clone. You probably heard about cloning. They cloned a sheep a while back named Dolly. But a clone is when a daughter cell is genetically identical to a parent cell. Okay, that's a clone. Diverse is the last word. Diverse means showing a great deal of variety, very different. Students at Gravelly Hill Middle School are diverse. Great deal of variety, very different. Not one the same, except for a couple of identical twins, but that's unusual. So that's diversity. So that's our words for the week.